Good evening, Rutgers. I'm your weather watcher, Mark Doucet, bringing you tonight's forecast on Tuesday, February 6, 2018. Let's start right off with your headlines. As we go into tomorrow morning around 5 a.m., a winter weather advisory is going to be going into effect. As we look at your futurecast, we're going to see that system snow to ice to rain tomorrow. And then as we look at your 7-day futurecast, we're going to be looking at a rainy weekend in store for us. So here's the watches and warnings map right now. Passaic and Sussex counties, you guys have a winter storm warning, as we're going to see a little bit more snow up north and as it goes into western Pennsylvania and upstate New York as well. But here in New Brunswick and going south into southern New Jersey, you're going to see only a winter weather advisory, as we're not going to see so much snow here. So right now, as we look at the 3-hour radar loop, you can see the storm system down to our south. There it is. It's coming out of the Gulf Coast. Right now, that's why it's mostly rain. There's a little bit of mix, but that's going to go into a rain snow line, which you'll see here in the futurecast as we go 7:30, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's when that snow starts. Quickly, though, it goes right into a mix. It's going to go to sleet to freezing rain into heavier bands of rain around the evening hours, around 5:30 p.m. Then it's going to clear out, giving us a beautiful Thursday afternoon. So how much snow are we going to get? Well, as we look at the European model right now, you can see only 1 inch is expected for Rutgers, roughly an inch, and that could melt away with the rain, or that also could contribute to the formation of ice. If you're heading out on the roads tomorrow, make sure to be especially careful, as the snow and the freezing rain could combine to form some icy roads. And you can see up in Sussex a little bit more, around 4 inches. So tonight's lows across New Jersey, we'll see around 25 here in New Brunswick, up into the teens, around 17 degrees up in Sussex, and around freezing in Wildwood at 32 degrees. As we look at the northeast temperatures, you can see almost single digits, only on to 10 degrees, and a little bit more mild in New York City at 29 degrees, and 29 degrees as well down in Dover. So again, for tonight, that low of 25 degrees under mostly cloudy skies with some light winds that are going to follow us going into tomorrow morning around 7:30, 8 o'clock a.m. That's when we'll see that snow, around a temperature of 29 degrees. And as a step off for your 7-day forecast, you can see after that system moves through, temperatures are going to cool down to around freezing on Thursday, then bump back up for the weekend, where we see that afternoon into evening showers from Saturday going into Sunday. Temperatures all almost into the 50s, but then they cool back off going to next week, but temperatures will stay in the low to mid 40s. If you want to check us out every 15 minutes, you can on RUTV, channel 23.1. Come to our Facebook page at facebook.com/RUWeatherWatcher. Check us out on Twitter at RUTVWW using that hashtag RUWeather. And for more information, come to our weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu webpage. That's all for this evening. I'm your weather watcher, Mark Doucet. Have a fantastic Tuesday evening, Rutgers.